Good evening. This is kind of just a quick run through. I know a lot of you have already been playing in the course, but I want to kind of answer a couple questions hopefully through this. So when you open the course, hopefully you go to the home screen, this is what you see. Now I post a lot of announcements, and this is something that I want you to check on a regular basis, a couple times a week, especially because we are in an 8-week course. So I already started, the on the 12th, I posted a little good morning, here we go, get going thing. I will be putting this video in an announcement, and I'll be posting other things. So I try to make the titles of the announcements tell you what's in them, but please, if you have questions about it, email me. Again, modules are going to be your best friend. So when you get into the modules and you're looking at things, we are doing a module a week. So you will notice that in module 1, things are due next Monday. Now, web work, all of the web work is set to be due December 12th. That doesn't mean wait till the 12th of December to do all of the web work homework, because on the first exam, this material is covered. I'm leaving it open until December 12th because the third exam is cumulative. It's got everything on it. So it's going to be important that you can go back and get into that homework later in case you want to refresh on anything, do a couple extra problems or anything like that. But you'll notice that everything else has a due date of the 22nd, which is next Monday. We try to do everything the following Monday so that you have time to ask questions. You can email me at any point in time about questions. But we are basically doing a module a week. Some modules are heavier than others on different things. So like this week is pretty straightforward. You have a discussion board, a quiz, and 3 sections. 3 sections of videos. These videos here will go with the workbook or the packet, whatever you want to call it, that came to you in the mail. If you did not receive that yet, hopefully it's coming, but in the learning activities, these 3 spots, those are links, they will take you to the pages of the workbooks that you don't get behind. I try to post at least 1 announcement per week that basically just says, hey, this is what's coming next. That way you're ready, okay? So that's kind of how you can kind of navigate through that. I will, again, post announcements with updates. I have a lot of YouTube videos that will help. You can see my YouTube page is open. Go there, Google my name if you would like. Then if you have any questions, I'm struggling on absolute change. You can go to, Google that and look at all of the videos that show up on my page for absolute change. Yes, some of them go with the book. Some of them are practice videos. Some of them are old. So they're not in this book because this is like the 8th edition of this book or something. So if you just need more practice, go to my YouTube page and look. Or if you need an extra video, just email me and ask, and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Now, let's go to live session. On Wednesday at 3 o'clock, we are set to have our first live session. I will be sending this out in an email and as an announcement. This is just the link that you will go to get there. Now, one thing about that, I switched jobs in the last couple months, and therefore I have a meeting on Wednesdays until 3:15. Sometimes we get out early. So we're going to have to start our live session roughly 3:15. So it'll go from 3:15 to 3:55. And these live sessions are question answer sessions. Do not come expecting me to lecture for an hour. It's not going to happen. I will come, and if you say, I don't understand web work number 7, great, I will show you and I will do it for you. Or if you say, I don't understand what I'm supposed to do with this Excel assignment, great, let me walk you through it. Or I don't understand what I'm supposed to do with the first project, great, let me walk you through it. But if you don't have questions, I have nothing to talk about. And if you don't have questions, then don't come. It is not required. You do not get a grade for it. I don't like you better if you show up. I am here to help you however you need to be helped. So if you want to come, great. If you don't, don't. I have other live sessions. This is the 3rd class that I'm teaching. So I will post in the announcement and in the email that I send you the other days and times that you can come. So if you have a question and Wednesday at 3:30 doesn't work for you, great. Show up at a different time. And that's fine because they're all question answer. They're all about Math 123. It's all whatever you need. Again, you are not penalized for not coming. This is for you, whatever you need to help. So again, I will be sending this out in an email and in an announcement here in just a few minutes. Okay, so that's pretty much all I really wanted to go through. Um, just make sure you're staying up on things. Email me if you have questions, and read your announcements. Those are the big key pieces of this course. So I am Becky. Pardon the bad hair. I just got out of the shower, so I didn't spike it up. But it is what it is. So I hope you're having a good evening and a good first week. Again, our first live session will be Wednesday at 3:15, with the link that I email. If you want to come and ask questions or just see what it's all about, you can come for 5 minutes and leave. No problem. It's kind of a come and go whenever you want. It's like an open house type of a thing. So anyway, enough babbling. If you have questions, shoot me an email. Here we go.